the declining the foreign reserves of the Sri Lanka's government. So in this case, as we know, the central bank governor has revealed, Professor Lakshman, that already there is a pending facility of US dollars 250 million from Bangladesh Bank in July, another $400 million from SARC Finance swap facility in August, and also standby swap facility with the People's Bank of China of $1.5 billion. So altogether it's 2.150 billion swap facility. So alternatively, without the adoption, without sovereign debt factoring of Chinese loans by the People's Bank of China to the transnational government of Tamil Eelam, another option would be Central Bank of Sri Lanka could directly enter into a currency swap agreement with the transnational government of Tamil Eelam's international treasury. I think they have accumulated wealth of around 22 US dollars in billion. So Sri Lanka could go for the shortfall of approximately 1.5 billion US dollars with the transnational government of Tamil Eelam's international treasury, and thereby the 3.6 billion foreign debts which are due for this year 2021 from the government of Sri Lanka would be covered. And also I think when we consider the infrastructure development programs now, which have been up to now funded through the various mechanisms like the tax money paid by all the people in Sri Lanka, and foreign loans from the railway network have been developed with the Indian Railway help, and then the housing schemes that has come up with the 50,000 houses being built by the government of India, and also the China's support for carpeting the roads, and also the culverts, and also the traffic signboards, road lane marking, and bridges, etc. So these, I think, in future, all such infrastructure developments, not only in the northeast of Sri Lanka, since Sri Lankan Tamil population is living all around the country, it would be possible to negotiate for currency swaps or foreign debt through the transnational government of Tamil Eelam's international treasury, so that when negotiations are done, looking into the interest of the Sri Lankan Tamil people, not only in the north and east but also around the country, they are spread, so their well-being, accordingly these loans and currency swaps with the transnational government of Tamil Eelam's international treasury could be negotiated, and they would be more than happy to, as per my advice, to help Sri Lanka to look after the Sri Lankan Tamil people whom the Sinhala government had looked after up to now. So let them do it, and this way I think Sri Lanka can fast become a developed country,